Is Jack and Rose Jackson Hole a total scam? Let's break it down, because you deserve to know where your money's going before you hit that buy now button. First, let's talk about that website, jackrosejacksonhole.com. It popped up out of nowhere in December 2025. Yep, just a few weeks ago. That alone should make you pause. Most legit businesses have some history you can actually trace. But that's just the beginning. If you love a bargain, you've probably seen those jaw-dropping discounts, 50, sometimes 80% off. I mean, who wouldn't want to snag a luxury jacket for the price of a coffee? But here's the hard truth. These deep discounts are a classic scammer move. They suck you in, get your payment, and poof! Either you get a cheap knockoff, or, more likely, nothing at all. Let's dig a little deeper. Ever notice how every product photo looks super professional, but somehow off? That's because most of their pictures are lifted straight from other big-name brands. No original images, just a copy-paste job. That's a huge red flag. So, what if something goes wrong? Good luck getting in touch. There's no business address, no real phone number. All you get is a sketchy contact form, and honestly, I wouldn't hold my breath waiting for a reply. Say you actually get your order and want to return it. Well, buckle up. Their so-called return policy might force you to pay international shipping fees. We're talking charges that could be even higher than the price you paid for the item. That's honestly wild. And here's the kicker. On their website, everything's rated 4.7 stars. Glowing reviews everywhere you look. But go outside their site, there's nothing. No Trustpilot, no social media accounts, no real customer feedback. It's like they don't exist outside their own little bubble. Now don't confuse them with legit places that just sound similar. There's the Rose in Jackson, Wyoming. A real cocktail bar. Jack Rose Dining Saloon in DC? That's a real whiskey bar with tons of good reviews. Even the Jack Rose Hotel in South Africa actually exists. But jackrosejacksonhole.com? That's a whole different story. So, what's the final verdict? Jack and Rose. Jackson Hole is almost certainly a scam. The signs are everywhere. If you haven't shopped there, don't. Just don't risk it. And if you already have, contact your bank right now, because you might need to dispute that charge. Remember, there are real businesses out there who value your trust and your hard-earned money. Don't let a flashy fake website fool you. Stay sharp, shop smart, and always check for those red flags.